back to Nick's World. Today I'm going to show you the DIY of the Toran. Diwali is coming near, and as I said I am going to come with the new videos for the Diwali. So this is our first video. So let's get started for today's video. Money, then you can try this Toran at your home and you will feel happy that you have made the Toran. And you can take the colors as per your want. The colorful leaves also you will get in the market, so you can see which one you want. Okay, so if you want the raw material for the Toran, then then you can go at the Bhuleshwar market of the Mumbai and you can buy it from there. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel and please hit that bell icon. So see ya in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See ya. Take care.